Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that brings a touch of timeless elegance to any space, the vintage typewriter model. Now, right off the bat, it's important to clarify that this isn't a functional typing machine. This is a beautifully crafted decorative piece, a model designed to evoke that wonderful retro and nostalgic atmosphere we all love. Imagine this exquisite item gracing your living room, adding character to your study, or becoming a conversation starter in your home office. Its presence instantly transforms a space, infusing it with an antique charm that feels both sophisticated and inviting. The creators have truly poured their heart into making this a standout piece. It's entirely handmade, with each model undergoing a meticulous process of hand polishing and intentional distressing. This isn't about flaws, it's about artistry. Those subtle worn marks and aged details are deliberately incorporated to enhance its vintage appeal, making each piece feel unique and genuinely authentic, as if it has a story to tell from a bygone era. Crafted from high-quality iron material, this typewriter model isn't just about looks, it's built to last. The robust construction ensures it won't easily deform, promising long-lasting enjoyment as a cherished part of your decor collection. Its solid feel and substantial weight further contribute to its premium quality, making it feel like a genuine antique rather than a flimsy replica. The versatility of this piece is truly remarkable. While it's perfect for home decoration, think beyond the usual. It would look absolutely stunning in a cozy cafe, adding to its ambience, or even as a unique ornament in a bar, lending an air of classic sophistication. It's designed to elevate important occasions and everyday settings alike, making any space feel more curated and thoughtful. And if you're searching for that perfect, distinctive gift, look no further. This retro typewriter model is an exceptional choice for anyone, regardless of age. Whether it's for a child who appreciates unique items, a teenager with a flair for vintage aesthetics, newlyweds setting up their first home, or even your parents, clients, or friends, it's a gift that speaks volumes. It's a thoughtful present that celebrates history, craftsmanship, and personal style. So, if you're looking to add a touch of retro elegance, a conversation piece, or a truly unique gift to your list, this vintage typewriter model is an absolute gem. It's more than just a decoration. It's a piece of art that brings history and charm right into your hands.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.